Meghalaya government held a review meeting on Tuesday, May 4th on the COVID-19 situation in the state, chaired by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that for ration card holders falling under AAY and PHH category, 5 kgs of free rice will be provided to each family member.
As far as the availability of essential commodities, I would like to inform, and this is for the information of all the citizens of the state, we have enough stocks. We do have enough stocks of essential commodities. And secondly, I would like to inform that the government of India is kind enough to again sanction additional allotment of rice, where we call it free rice, under PMGKAY for the month of May and June. And lifting of rice has just started. Lifting of rice has just started, and distribution will take place within this month itself.
With regards to the vaccination drive for the 44 years below up to 18 years, Tinsong said,
the government has already paid the vaccination cost to the manufacturing company for 42,000 vaccination, and these vaccination will reach our state within few days time from now, and the cost of the vaccination, each vaccination, is rupees 300. And I would like to inform to the citizens of the state that the government has decided to give free of cost for vaccination to each and every beneficiaries. Government of Meghalaya in fact wanted to start vaccination drive tomorrow itself. That is a wish. But as I said to you, I think this crisis happened not only to Meghalaya, to each and every state in India, even to the country as a whole. So therefore, I can't comment anything on that. Luckily, at least 42,000 has been clearly paid, and we are waiting for this lot to reach the state of Meghalaya.
Tinsong also said that availability of oxygen cylinders is still sufficient in the state. About 200 patients are hospitalized currently, and 180 of them require oxygen. TNT Bureau.